Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening an elevated command prompt and confirming Windows 10 build with WinVer so you know which source to use. Next, mount or locate a healthy source image such as an ISO or install. Wim, this provides clean component files. Once done, run Dism with basic health checks first so you don't apply fixes blindly. Make sure to note the drive letter of any mounted ISO because you will reference it in the next commands. You now perform detection and repair in sequence. First run check health to see if corruption exists, then scan health for a thorough analysis. These steps avoid unnecessary repairs. When corruption is confirmed, run restore health while specifying the clean source path, replace X, with your mounted ISO drive letter and ensure index matches. Use /limit access to avoid using Windows Update if you're pointing to a local source. Allow the operation to complete. It may take several minutes, depending on disk speed and corruption level. To finish, run sfc/scanno so System File Checker can repair any protected files using the restored component store. If restore health fails, switch sources, try a different ISO, extract install, Wim or use install. ESD conversion, then rerun restore health. Once repairs succeed, reboot and rerun check health to confirm. If problems persist, note the Dism error code and retry with a new source. Most failures come from bad or mismatched image files, so replacing the source usually resolves stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.